Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share 5 Telegram bots which can be very helpful to you and you can also have fun with them. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see how these 5 Telegram bots function. So the first Telegram bot which we are going to talk about is Gamey. Gamey is a Telegram bot which helps you to play games in Telegram itself. This bot contains multiple games. You can play the game either solo or also you can invite your friends and play the game in multiplayer mode. So the second bot which we are going to talk about is Functions Robot. It contains various features. The first one if I talk about is you can shorten your URL, you can create QR code, you can translate text to speech, you can encrypt or decrypt messages, and it contains various similar features to that. So if you need any of these features, you can use the Functions Robot bot in Telegram app itself. So the third Telegram bot is Dropmail.me. What does this Telegram bot do? So if you want to sign up on a random website and don't want to disclose your personal email ID, then you can use Dropmail.me bot in order to generate a temporary mail ID for you. After you sign up using this temporary mail ID, all the OTPs, emails will be delivered to you in this bot itself. So next time when you want to sign up on a random website just for the testing purpose, you don't need to sign up through your personal email ID. Instead, you can use Dropmail.me bot. So the fourth Telegram bot which we are going to talk about is Direct Link Generator. What does this bot do? There are many websites which don't allow you to download certain kind of information or certain kind of videos, for example YouTube. So if you want to download those videos or those text or those information in offline mode, you can use the Direct Link Generator bot. What you have to do is just paste the URL, the link in this bot, and this bot will generate a downloadable link for you. After clicking that downloadable link, you can download that file or video on your computer desktop and you can enjoy those data in the offline mode without any internet connection. So the fifth and last bot which we are going to talk about is Truecaller bot. Yes, you heard it right. As the name suggests, this bot functions very similar to Truecaller. If you don't have the Truecaller app or if you don't wish to install the Truecaller app, then this bot can be very useful for you. Next time when you want to find out information of certain contact number, you can paste that contact number in the Truecaller bot, and similar to Truecaller app, this bot will give you all the information regarding that contact number. So next time when you don't wish to download Truecaller, you can use this Truecaller bot in order to find out the contact information if you need. So that were the 5 Telegram bots in this video. I hope you found the video helpful and I hope that you will use these Telegram bots to make your life easier. If you found this video helpful, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such contents. Thank you.